Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Rathod. I'm from Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies and today I'm going to be your mentor. So today we are going to study about sample papers from question number 18 to 27 and the sample paper is of 2019 to 20. Let's move forward. 18th question. Name any two taxes which were subsumed in goods and services tax. So there are two taxes. There are actually many taxes, but as it is written, we have to mention only two. So there are two taxes: central excise duty tax and services tax. Okay. Next, 19th question. State whether the following statement is true or false. The latest demonetization of currency was undertaken by the Government of India on November 8, 2016. Is it true or false? So, it is written straight whether the following statement is true or false. When it is written straight, then we have to write only it is true or false. Or if it is written, give explanation over it. If it is true, then give explanation, or false, then also give explanation. So then we have to give explanation. If it is written straight only true or false, then we have to write only true or false. So the answer is true. Identify the correct sequence of alternatives given in column 1 by matching the respective terms in column 2. So as you can see, there is column 1 and column 2 in which four options are given, and in the respect of that, four options are only given. We just have to match them. So answer is also given. A is matched to 3, B is matched to 4, C is matched to 1 and D is matched to 2. Moving forward. Question number 21. Agriculture marketing does not comprise of dash. Choose the alternate or correct alternate. C. So there are four alternatives. Transportation. First is transportation of the produce to market place for sale. Grading. B is grading of the produce according to the quality. Third is storage of produce for sale in future, and D is credit taken to meet expenditure on agriculture. So the answer is D. Moving forward, question number 22. Under dash type of unemployment, marginal product gained by employing one additional unit of labor is 0. Fill up the blank with correct answer. Or the other question is dash an indicator which is used to analyze the employment situation of country. Fill up the blanks with the correct answer. So if we take first question, then it is disguised. Under disguised unemployment, disguised type of unemployment. And in second, workforce participation rate. Okay, moving forward, we get back to 23 question number 23. 1955 car committee was constituted for aiming the dash. Now fill in the blanks with the correct answer. So the answer is development of small scale industries. Moving forward to question number 24. Again we have a table in which two columns are given. We have to join respective option with the respective column. Then we have, in this question we have choices. We have four choices. So the correct choice is D. A to 4, B, A to 2, B to 4, C to 1 and D to 3. Okay. Moving forward to question number 23. Solar energy can be converted into electricity with the help of dash photovoltaic cell or lithium cells. So there are two, lithium cell or photovoltaic cells. You have two options over here. So we have to fill in the blanks with the correct alternative. So answer is photovoltaic cell. Moving forward with question number 26. Arrange the following events of China in chronological order and choose the correct alternative. Okay. So as you can see, there are four options and there are four alternatives. So according to it, we have to choose. So answer B is the correct alternative, in which it is first 4, in second 2, third is 1 and fourth is 3. Moving forward with question number 27. Introduction of economic reform in Pakistan took place in dash. Choose the correct alternative. So the correct alternative is 1988. That's the C option. So as you can see, from question number 8 to question number 27, there were only one markers. So we have to give the answer either in one word or in one sentence, not more than that, because it is not required. So from here we end up this session. If you have any query regarding this, you can log on to www.intellify.in. Thank you. Thanks a lot.